Hello everyone, welcome back. So here we are going to see another topic, that is laws of exponent. Okay, so let's start our today's topic. So first of all we will know that what is meant by an exponent. Okay, so let's see. So exponent is nothing but the multiplication of a number with itself repeatedly. Okay, see here, suppose if a number a, okay, if a number a multiplied by itself, okay, 3 times, so we can write it a to the power 3. Okay, the multiplication of a number with itself repeatedly, this repeats. Okay, suppose a number that's a power n, so this is power is exponent and exponent is power. Okay, so we can write it a into a into a nth times. Okay, nth times, or say into a, this whole will be nth times. Okay, so this is called the exponent. This is the representation of this whole number. Okay, whole number. So there are some laws on exponent which we should see. Okay, uh, and this exponent on this law, if you put any number in mathematics, that will follow that rule. Okay, so let's see this exponent, laws of exponent. Okay, so firstly the law is, the first is, suppose if a number a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, so this number can be written in the form of, if the bases are same, then it will be a whole m plus n. Okay, we will see after that questions also, but just you should keep this in minds. Okay, so the second is uh, a to the power m plus n, and if you see like that a a a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so it will be a. See here, if multiplication is there, then that is plus, it will be plus, and divide will be there, so it will be minus. Okay, m minus n. Okay, see these laws carefully. Okay, so the third law is that if if a number a to the power n whole, okay, whole n, then it can be written in the form of a m into n. Okay, a whole m into n. Okay, a whole, or say a power m into n. Okay, see here, now there is a interesting law, that is a to the power 0 will be 1. This is very interesting. See how, see a to the power 0. Okay, so a to the power 0 can be written in the form of a. What exponent should I write, that if, what exponent should I write so that it will be 0? See here, see here, it is a m minus n. Okay, so it can be written m minus n, and for 0 we will have to do this same. Okay, by assuming. Okay, you said you could take one. Okay, either m or n, so I'm taking here n. Okay, a to the n minus n will be a to the power 0, that is. Okay, see here, a to the n minus n means we can write it as a to the power n by a to the power n. This exponent, I am using this exponent. Okay, see here, it will be cut it and it will be 1. Okay, So a to the power 0 will be 1. This is a simple proof. Okay, I think you have understood it. Okay, so now the fifth is, wait a minute. Now the fifth is, if you if you see here that the, see here, a to the power n and a to the power n. If you think that in the previous class I have already told you that there is also a law that is m a sorry it's a to the power m by a to the power n. So it can be a or say m and b. Okay, a power m by m, b power m. Okay, so it will be a by b power m. It is related to this one. Okay, root a by root b will be root a by b. Okay, it is related to this. Okay, now the next is suppose if okay, when the base is same, then this will happen. Okay, if think that if the power will be same, then what will happen? Okay, so I'm writing here a to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, so it will be, both bases will multiplied. Okay, a into b whole m. Okay, so these are the laws, okay, of exponents. On the basis of this law, we will see some question. Okay, so remember all this law. Okay, so now we are going to practice some question. So let's start. So the first question is that, question number 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, you have to write it in exponential form. Okay, see here, so this 2 is repeating, so we will write this number 2. Okay, this number 2, and how many times it repeat? 1 2 3 4, so it will be 2 to the power 4. This is your correct answer. Okay, now we are going to see some, or say another question on the basis of laws of exponent. So the question number 2 is that 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, this is 2 part 1, and the second part of the question is that 5 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, third question is that 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 0 0 whole whole 5. Okay, 5. So see here, this, there is, both are same, so the power will add it. So it will be 3 plus 5, so it will be 2 to the power 8. If you want to solve this in integer form, then you can do also, but we are saying the exponent, so we will left it here. Okay, so see here, it will be 5 whole 0 will be 1 into 5 whole 1 will be 5. Okay, so it will be 5. See here, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, will be 1, and 1 into 5 will be 5. Okay, it will be 5. Or say, or say this one, this question, this question can be, I'm not sure, but it can be in two different ways. Okay, I think you should check it. Okay, it either it will be, or let it, we will see in next time. Okay, so these are the questions. So the next question is that, so the next question, question number 3, question number 3, 5 to the power 2 by by 5 to the power 5. Okay, so it will be 5 to the power 2 minus 5 will be 5 to the power minus 3.